Hey guys, so that was my first ever Switch Blizzard flip. That was part of my New Year's resolution for skating more Switch, and I feel like part of my resolution, kind of an extension of it, is to get better at Switch backside skating because, believe it or not, I'm absolutely awful at Switch backside. A Switch back 180 will get me a letter 90% of the time in a game of skate. It's so frustrating. But yeah, I was messing around trying switch big flips after I landed the two sketchy ones on the pyramid the other day, and I threw it kind of as a joke. It wasn't. It was kind of there. It wasn't really. So I literally spent over an hour filming that. It was painful as anything, but I'm so glad I got it. Even that last one, I wasn't sure if it was good, but I had 3 minutes left before my card was full, and yeah, it was stationary on carpet. I wasn't going to get it much smoother. There was always going to be a tic-tac, really. But yeah, hopefully I can work on them, get them rolling. I'll probably take that and a switch big flip to a pyramid first because it'd be easier to get the whole rotation. So you'll be seeing videos from those, and hopefully I can make a few videos to get this. So kind of like the stationary, the pyramid, and then eventually on flat. But yeah, so look out for those. In the meantime, be sure to like, favourite, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.